Welcome back. Now that I have my title slide ready with me, I would like to add some more slides to my presentation. So there are three ways in which you can add new slides. The first is using a keyboard shortcut which is Ctrl+N. The second method is by clicking on this insert option given in the menu, and from here you can click on the new slide button. The third option is that you right click on your mouse and then select the new slide option. So now you can see that in all these new slides that we have added just here, the background image which is there on the title slide is missing. So now that you want to incorporate this background image on all the further slides that you add, you can go on to the change background button, and then you can add this particular background image into the theme using the add to theme button. Click on add to theme and then press done. So now we can see that the background image has been beautifully incorporated as a backdrop in all these further slides. Now coming on to the second slide, you can also change the layout of these particular slides using this layout drop down option. You can choose any slide as per your requirement. Suppose I need to add a title and a body slide. I need to explain more about Google Slides, so I start writing here. I want to add some dummy text, so I have this lorem ipsum available with me, which is nothing but a dummy text. I place it here. You can again change the font as well as the font size of this particular text. Okay, and particularly you can also make the indentation as appealing as you like. There are two ways in which you can add an image just in case you would like to make your slides look much more appealing to your viewers. The first way is to click on this insert option which is given in the menu. From here you can see that there are a lot of options from which you can upload your images. You can upload your image from computer, from the web, from Drive, Photos, URL and Camera. The second method is in the menu again. You can see that there is a small button of insert image. The options which were available above are also here available, from which you can choose and upload images. Suppose I click on I need to select an image from the web. So I click on this button of search the web and I want to select an image of Google Slides. So now this has given me a beautiful image of Google Slides. I select that image and insert it on my slide here. So now that you can see that there is an image which is available here, I can resize it as per my own wishes. So my second slide is ready. In the third slide, I need to incorporate an audio or a video as per your wish about Google Slides. So I write Google Slides video. To insert a video, again go to the insert option which is given in the menu and select insert video. There are three options again from which you can insert your video. Either you can insert a video directly from YouTube, or you can paste a URL, or you can upload any video from Google Drive. Suppose I wish to add or insert a video using YouTube. I write Google Slides and I select any video, any introductory video or tutorial video related to Google Slides which is applicable as per my requirements. I select the video, so you can see that this video has been incorporated in my slide. Just in case you want to make some amends in this video, like autoplay while presenting, mute audio, you can select or deselect as per your requirements. Now if I play this video, it is playing.
Hello there and welcome back to my channel. You should be excited because today's video has been...
So this is my second slide which has been duly created. In this third slide, let's suppose I wish to incorporate a chart. Any chart of your choice that you want to incorporate. So again, click on the insert option given in the menu and you can select a chart. You can select a bar chart, column, line, pie, and you can also select a chart from sheets. Now when I click on from sheets, it gives me a pop-up and it shows me the spreadsheets in which I have previously created some pie chart. And suppose I wish to add any pie chart or any kind of chart from these spreadsheets. So what I'll do is, suppose I wish to insert this pie chart. I go and select. So in that spreadsheet of mine that I had created previously, this was the pie chart that I wish to insert in this particular slide of mine. I select this pie chart and import this directly in the slide of mine. I resize it as per the dimensions of my particular slide and see how well it has fitted in the dimensions of the presentation. Now let's suppose that I want to make some changes in this pie chart. Click on this, select this image and click on this drop down. Open source, click on the open source option which takes you to the Google Sheet itself from which this pie chart was linked. So making these changes in this particular Excel sheet will directly reflect on this pie chart. So this was it for today in this video. In the next video, we shall study the various formats in which the Google Slides presentation can be downloaded, how to import slides, how to send Google Slides as an email attachment, and how to publish Google Slides to the web. Thank you.